Hello, hi, Bilal bhai. What you are going to make today?
Right now I am making prawn masala.
Prawn masala.
These are prawns. So first we bought prawns from Mina market.
Okay.
And then we cut some onions, then tomatoes. First we make gravy.
Okay.
After that we put some spices as well as these prawns.
Which spices you use for it?
We use that red chili powder.
Okay.
Okay. Some salt as well as there is also a spice, yellowish. I don't know the exactly name in English.
Turmeric. Turmeric you mean?
Yes, turmeric powder.
Okay.
Yes. And there is one homemade masala from Pakistan.
Oh.
From Pakistan.
Wow.
This is my special ingredient in this one.
Okay.
So when you will eat, then you will love it.
They will try today. And
For sure.
with what you are going to serve it? With rice?
No,
or
with chapati.
Chapati.
We have chapatis as well as cold drinks. You see, we have everything over here. This is oil.
I like your style for cooking in a garden. You're sitting.
Yes, because we have to, first we have to make enjoyable memory.
Okay.
This is our enjoyable memory.
Yeah. Very good. Very
because
good.
In home, we all make in home.
If this prawn masala is not good, trust me, I'm gonna put this whole bucket on your head.
No. Trust me, you will like it. You will sure like it.
No, but from the smell, I can smell it. Trust me, maybe I'm gonna finish all.
Yes, because we only 2 persons here.
Yeah.
This whole prawn masala is for 2 persons actually.
Oh, wow. Good. It's good.
So, thanks for watching. Thank you.
Bye.